Hi there. Welcome to another After School Tech Tip. My name's Bernice and I'm excited today to talk to you about Perplexity AI, which is an alternative AI search engine. Similar to Google in the sense that you're going to have access to websites and results, but Perplexity AI curates it using AI as well as a bunch of online data that it has been trained on. And so what happens is instead of getting Google search results of, hundreds and hundreds of pages to look through, Perplexity AI will curate that information, give a response generated by AI that is based off of the sources that it uses as well, that you can then access. All that information is footnoted as well, so you can go ahead and take a look for more information, fact check it, take a look at the resources and more. So Perplexity is super exciting and definitely something that we're going to check out today. So before we jump into the features for Perplexity AI, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, check back for weekly videos, and connect with your TIPS member, tips.epsb.ca. There's lots of information there on AI as we keep going forward. So this here is Perplexity. Now Perplexity, please note, is a tool. And with that being said, we do not endorse nor validate any of these applications or these tools such as Perplexity, but this is an example for you to go ahead and explore. Decide if it's the right fit for you. Don't forget to look at the terms of use and the privacy policy and just make sure it is the right fit for you. So this is Perplexity, and you can see here what biomes are found in Alberta currently. I've already put in a question there to get us started. Here we have the ability to focus. So you get to choose where the information that it's going to source or cite comes from. You can choose for searching across the entire internet. You can choose for it to just search in published academic papers and choose academic. You can ask it to choose just explore Reddit or YouTube. And then you can see here there's two other ones here, Wolfram Alpha and writing. Writing is just for, if you're generating text, not planning on looking for information. And then the Wolfram Alpha is more for anything that's math or computational knowledge. And then that one will be good for that. So for the purposes of today, I'm just going to go ahead and click all, and I'm going to press go. So this is super cool. We have a bunch of information here. You'll see this answer being generated, and this is being generated directly off of the sources here. And the sources here then are also footnoted in, and you can decide to click on it if you want more information. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. That's going to automatically open up, and I'm going to see this additional information and decide, is this a source that I like? Is this a source that I see as credible? And to go from there. Now, if you go through these sources and you decide that one of them isn't quite right for you, you can go ahead, and I'm just going to just disappear here so you can see this for a second.
And so you can see here, we have 5 different sources that are used to generate this. Maybe you don't want all of them though. So you can go ahead and check off the one that you don't want. So you can just click the checkbox and go ahead and click Remove Source.
Here is it's regenerating that answer now without that previous source. And again, it's now using those footnotes still there. And those footnotes are now connected to those specific sources that you wanted there. This is a continuous chat, so you can go ahead and ask another question. They have suggested questions in here, so I can go ahead and put that in. And again, gives me that information. And as it gives me all that information, I can also, search for images. I can search for videos as well. And I can also continue to ask follow-up questions. So I can go ahead and, say what are the main threats of Alberta's grassland biome and keep on going from there. Of course, if you're planning a new topic, you'll always want to go ahead and click on new thread, and then that will start a brand new topic for you. Now, the nice thing about this is you can go ahead and click copy. And whenever you click copy on one of these, you can paste this information into a document, and you'll notice here that the citations show right up. And so those citations are there, really quick and easy way to, have resources or sources for you to then go ahead and look in further and see if those are the things that you want. Okay. All right, now the other one I wanted to show you as well is just the idea of collections. So you can go ahead and add these things into a collection. So I can go ahead and say plus collection, and I can start a new collection. I already have a few collections here. So I'm going to go ahead and click Biomes Collection for my research project. And I've now added it to my collection. My collections are found here in my library, where I can find previous prompts and previous threads that I've been already have. And what I can do is I can put all that information together into one. So I'm going to choose this one, for example, which is my biome collections around Canada. And you'll see I can put multiple threads in there. If I wanted to, I can even go ahead and, swap collections and move that also then into that one as well. And I can go ahead and just continue to add various prompts and collections in there. So collections are essentially a great way to organize the data so that all of your prompting and your sources are all in one area for whatever you're looking at. And then again, I can go in here and there's all this information. You can go ahead then and edit this collection. So when you make a title, you can add an emoji, a description. You can also give it an AI prompt so that anytime you are adding more information to it, it's going to add additional information to it. So say you want it in a specific output, for example, or you want it to consider considerations, all that information's there. You can also change the privacy from secret to shareable, whatever works for you, and you can go ahead and update that. Last but not least, here on Perplexity, we do have settings. And so you can go ahead and use, your account, or you can go into incognito. But as well, in your settings, we have a profile where you can also introduce yourself for personalized answers, put some information in there. And when you put that information in, it will automatically create questions for you to help you expand on that information. This can be helpful depending on what you're looking for, searching for on a regular basis, if it is specifically for a specific topic in your field of study or anything like that. And that's it. So I hope that helps. Don't forget again to subscribe to our channel, check back for weekly videos, and connect with your tips member. Thank you so much. Take care.